Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Website. So today we're looking at Google Search Console and we're going to verify our property with Google Search Console so that we can start adding our sitemap and that. So what you need to do is log in through your webmaster. If you already have websites on Google Search Console, it's going to look something like this. And if you don't, then you're going to have a blue button that will say Start Here. You click on that, and when you click on that, it's going to take you to a pop-up just like this one here that we're going to click on, the add property. So you're going to see something like that. Now we want to verify this domain, that we own this domain. So to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to paste the URL in here. I'm going to take off the slash, and I'm also going to take off everything with the www and everything before it. So we're going to remove that, and then we're going to click on continue. Now, when it tries to verify it, it's going to be unsuccessful because we haven't applied the code that's required to our cPanel. So it says that this domain name, which is correct, this domain name is actually registered with 123.co.uk. 123reg.co.uk. So what we're going to do in this drop down list is we're just going to click on any DNS provider. So there's a wee drop down arrow there. This might already come up, so you might already have the text record there, but in this case we haven't. So we're going to click on any DNS provider, and you can see option 4 here. It's given us a text record that we need to add to our cPanel. So we're going to copy this code just here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go into the back of the website. We can go to Developer Hub. Then we're going to go into our cPanel dashboard. We're going to scroll down to domains and we're going to go to Zone Editor. We're going to manage this domain name. And we're going to add a new record. So you can see what I've done here. I've entered our URL without the www. This is a 14400. This is the type of record we're adding. It is a TXT record, and then we're pasting it in there. So we're going to save the record now. So that's now saved. And then when we go back here, we can click on verify. And what we're looking for ideally is a green tick, just to say that we've verified that we own that website. And that's it. Now that that is done, we can start adding our sitemap, and you can add your sitemap here, and you can see here you can put in the URL. If we go back to our website, you can go to Toolbox, Sitemap Generator, and if you haven't generated a sitemap, then you would be best to do it. But you can copy the sitemap URL, which is just here, and you can put that into your Google Search Console, which is just here, and you can paste that in and then submit it. We're not going to submit it because this is just a demo website, so we're really not interested in it being sort of submitted to Google or Google crawling it. But that's how you do it. That is how you verify your property and ownership of your website with Google Search Console. So I hope you found that video useful, and thanks for watching.